I was busy plus verb-ing is used to say that you were spending a lot of time with a particular activity and didn't have enough time to do other activities. Examples: I was busy preparing for the start of the new school year next month. I was busy fixing my kitchen sink, so I didn't hear the knock on my front door. I was busy talking to my cousin on the phone, so I didn't notice you passing in front of me. I was busy doing her hair when her mother entered the room. I was busy cleaning his car for the car show. I was busy teaching the kids, so I didn't mind what was happening outside. I was busy planting flowers in our garden when our father arrived from abroad. I was busy concentrating on my business, so I didn't know what my son was doing. I was busy changing my son's diaper, so I didn't see you.